How to sign out of your Duolingo account on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out from your Duolingo account on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your Duolingo. So search for Duolingo on your PC. After you search for Duolingo, open it up and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you're logged in into your account, this is what it should look like. You can see your profile here and your Duolingo. Now, to log out, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to this More section. If you hover over the More option, you will find this pop-up buttons. Now, all you have to do is head over to Logout and tap on Logout. After you do that, you will have logged out from your Duolingo account. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for this video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.